Imagine a seemingly routine morning in Kathmandu, Nepal. The date is July 24th, 2024. At precisely 11:10 a.m. local time, an SAA Airlines CRJ200 extended range aircraft takes off on what should have been a straightforward technical repositioning flight from Tribhuvan International Airport to Pokhara International Airport. The plane, which needed scheduled repairs, was a Canadair CRJ200 ER, built in 2003, and had been with SAA Airlines since March 2017. What unfolded next turned an ordinary flight into an extraordinary story you won't want to miss. SAA Airlines is a small Nepali airline with only 2 planes in its fleet. Captain Manish Sakya, 37 years old, was in command. On board were 1 co-pilot and 17 other passengers, all of whom were technical staff from the airline. This incident is still unfolding, and details are subject to change. The plane was cleared for takeoff from runway 02 by air traffic control. As the plane accelerated and lifted off the ground, it suddenly rolled to the right, veering off the runway centerline. Video footage from the crash shows the CRJ200 descending with its right wing low, turning away from the runway and heading towards nearby houses before crashing near a ditch and bursting into flames. The impact was severe due to the high takeoff speeds, and the plane caught fire immediately. Rescue efforts began right away, thanks to the crash site's proximity to the airport. Tragically, Captain Sakya was the only survivor and has been taken to Kathmandu Medical Hospital for treatment. All other passengers have been declared deceased. This event marks the deadliest plane crash of 2024. Just last year, Nepal experienced its worst aviation disaster in over 30 years, when a Yeti Airlines flight from Kathmandu to Pokhara crashed while landing at Pokhara International Airport, resulting in the deaths of at least 68 people. This story is a stark reminder of the unpredictability of air travel and the bravery of those involved. If you found this story as gripping as we did, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more amazing aviation tales. Drop a comment below with your thoughts on this incredible incident. We'd love to hear from you. Until next time, stay safe and keep exploring the skies.